Okay, uh, good night, teacher. This is the video for the final break. Throughout this semester, I developing the entire project with my partners, with my group, allow me to acquire new knowledge and at the same time apply it in a practical and constructive way. Instead of learning concept in isolation, I had to connect them and use to build complete solutions, which helped me to understand how all these pieces fit together in a real process. I think one of the main areas I learned about was exporting products. I understood how no how I studied what is it actually takes to prepare a product for international trade, including the main requirements and documentation need to move good across borders. These include understanding the roles of the different actors involved in the responsibilities that each one assumes at every stage. I also learned how ecoterms influence decisions making because they define responsibilities, costs, and risks between the seller and the buyer. In addition, the project helped me to understand the complete supply chain flow and the score model too, start from start to finish, how a product begins with suppliers, how it's moved through production and preparation stage, and how it's stored and handled, and how it's finally gives to the final customers. I learned about transportation routes and modes, such as road with trains and trucks, sea with boats, different type of boats, and air with planes, and how the choice depends of the factors like cost, time, risks, positions of the plans of the customer of the sellers, providers, and the type of product, of course. Along with that, I explored packaging methods, focusing on how different type of packaging protects the product, protecting different way the product, reduce losses, and support complaints with handling and transport requirements. Another key component was the legal side, or in for saying this way, the this project put me on to consider basic legal aspects related to exporting, such as compliance requirements and the importance of meeting standards and regulations. And not only to avoid delays, but also to, I don't know, to ensure how the operation is reliable and professional. At the same time, I think this work gave me the chance to apply knowledge that I already had. I used FlexSim to visualize and analyze process, test the scenarios, and give me a better understand of the flow of my production of my product of us product. I also use Visage Modeler to model the process in a clear way, define steps, roles, and decisions point. Additionally, I think I applied time study techniques to estimate durations, the lead time, takt time, and standard time, to use this in the FlexAim, of course, and combining these tools with the new topics I learned helped me to create a solution that was not only theoretical, but also realistic and grounded in analysis. You know, overall, the integrative project became a learning path that grew week by week. It developed my understanding of export logistics and supply chain management, while reinforced me my previous skills, and it showed me how to turn the knowledge into an organized process that can be executed from suppliers all the way to the final customer. So I think this is all about how the integrative project give me the more tools to improve my knowledge and my skills in my career now. That's all. Thank you. Okay, this.